Frustration they real.
Full everywhere, Igwe.
LASTMA won't arrest bus driver. I don't know what the bus driver must have done. But then for the bus driver to fit carry petrol points safe.
Get the mind.
What the LASTMA people light them up. I think say then get gadget to the capture people when you offend.
Yes.
Capture them, then arrest them afterwards.
You know, summon them if they refuse to summon.
Yes.
You arrest them.
Yes.
And even the mode of arrest, now they are the way they go. So Igwe, these people, I don't know, initial order when they give them. Now prevention. But these guys, their own, they set trap for people. They'll just come and like say they don't plan for you since that we all pants on you. No civil way of even addressing the issue. It could be like say them vex from house, me you from house. So now they bring all those counter, reaction from the people when we see them
from the frustrated people.